Welcome back to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. For today's video, we're going to design a stunning header section where we're going to use a blend of stunning visuals and clear calls to action that will draw guests to book a stay. Let's get started. The template you selected often comes with a header. You can simply edit it. To quickly do so, click on it and click the Quick Edit button or the Pencil button. They're the same thing. A panel on the right will appear, and this is where you can quickly edit the design and the contents of your section. You can edit your section background, and then you can also add a strip background, which I'm going to do. So for your strip background, you can select a color, an image, or a video. This time, I'm going to be experimenting and use a video instead. So I'm going to be using the video that we've uploaded previously. So you might remember that we've prepared our files in the previous video so that we can access them easily. So I'm going to select a video that I'm going to feature and then click on Change Background. It'll automatically be added to our section background. All right, now it's time to work on the title. I'm just going to be editing the paragraph here, and I'm going to add a punchy, short tagline that'll entice visitors to book a stay. So what you input here will be up to you, as long as it's catchy or attention grabbing. And for the button, we're going to leave it as that, book your stay. So I think I like that. And by the way, we're going to be properly linking our button. So I'm going to click on link here and I'm going to make sure that this leads to the booking page. So I'm going to select page here and select the book a room page, which we are going to work on later on. And we're going to allow it to open in the current window. So let's click on done. All right. So far, I think it's looking good. So I'm going to close this panel now since we've finished working on the content. Now, I think it's time to work on the design itself. So we can work on designing them by clicking on an element individually. And then let's start with the text element, for example. Let's click on it and click on Edit Text. And using the tools here, we can customize the design of our text. We can then change its color or add effects in order to make it more visible. So just go ahead and edit your texts however you want to. The same thing for your button. If in case you'd like to change its design, click on it and click on Design. You can select from themes over here. And if you'd like to customize it further, click on Customize Design and edit its fill color and opacity, border, etc. I'd like to adjust the transparency of my background in order to make my text even more visible. So we are going to click on it and click on Change Background. Then we're going to click on Settings over here. We are going to adjust the video opacity to maybe about 70%. And we're going to adjust the color of the video over here. So change it to any color you like. You can experiment on it as much as you want to. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and click on Save to save your progress. And that's it for today. You've now designed a stunning and interactive header section for your website. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.